Hi, Triple Threat, Ferly here. Welcome to our YouTube channel, the place to be if you want to learn how to dance and experience greatness in it. This video is about breaking down a good old body roll. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you have not already, and let me know that you like this type of how-tos and we can keep creating them for you, okay? I actually want you to use a wall. So I want you for this tutorial to get really close to a wall. So I want you to pretend that the light is that wall, okay? If this is hip width, I'm about right here, okay? So facing that wall, keep both of your hands on that wall from me, 3 inches away from the wall. I want you to bend your knees like always. You probably figured it out with our how-tos. Dance, you have to stay grounded. The closer you get to the floor, the better for you. Heels are down. I want you to stick your chest out. So again, isolations, right? And you're gonna bring it back in. I just want you to feel that. Bring your chest to that wall. So again, hands are here. So now both your chest muscles and your hands are touching that wall, and come right back. Okay, let's do that one more time just to feel that. And bring it back. Cool. Now it's gonna be even more weird. I want you to touch the wall with your belly only, okay? So belly, so you're arching like a bow and arrow, and come back. So you see how my knees actually straighten. They have a little bit of a bend, but they straighten. This is plie, this is bending of the knee, and then I straighten ever so slightly. Cool? Now you're gonna do the same thing with your hips. So now your hip bones are going to touch that wall. So you have a wall right in front of you. Feel those babies there, and then come right back. Keep that soft bend of the knee, but you see how my legs straighten a little bit, then how they started, right? And then my hip bones once again, and bam. All right, now we're gonna connect those 3, okay? So hands against the wall, bend those knees, relax those shoulders, stick your chest out only to where your chest muscles are touching the wall. Now you're gonna roll through the body to where your belly is touching the wall. Keep rolling to where your hip bones are touching that wall, and now come back to center, come back to neutral. Let's do that again. So chest only, keep those hands, keep that grip on the wall. Now roll through the chest. So my chest is gonna rise up against the ceiling so my belly can take over and touch that wall. I keep rolling so my hip bones touch that wall, and I come back to center. Let's speed that up just a little bit. Ready? You go 1, 2, 3, back to neutral 4. And again, 1, belly 2, hips 3, back to neutral 4. 2 more, 1, 2, it feels weird, it feels awful until it feels amazing, okay? You gotta trust the process. 1, belly and hips, and release. We're gonna play some music just for fun, okay? But keep that wall nearby, so both hands on the wall. We're gonna go through that same exact work. Now to just some rhythm. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. So each part of your body has a count. This is 1. Chest 1, belly 2, hip bones 3. Good, we're gonna speed it up. Ready? Go, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Bend your knees, 1, 2. Good, now let's have some fun with it. Face me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, you're doing it. 3, let's speed it up a little bit more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. If you have to go back to that wall, go for it. So you can feel the articulation of your body. If you're here with me, let's take it to one side. And 2, and 3. It should feel really good. Take it to the left. 1, I feel my rib cage opening up, mobility increasing in my body. Just feels so good. Take it back to center. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're doing it. 3, 4, 1, 2. Let's slow it down for 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3. You did it. Yes! So listen, like anything in dance, especially when you're working on the basics, like an isolation like this, we actually call this the Tatum roll, like Channing Tatum, because it's so delicious, right? It looks amazing on men, and it looks amazing on women. So this is the tool that you want to have in your back pocket. So much of dance includes moving the center of your body. Otherwise, it would just be limbs, right? So this is something you want to learn. Come back to it as many times as you need to, but you will see the body roll in so many choreographies. So make sure you get it, okay? All right. Thank you, Triple Threat. See you next time.